Once upon a time, in a village surrounded by lush green fields and a sparkling lake, there lived a little bird named Barry. Barry was no ordinary bird. He wasn't satisfied with just collecting twigs and leaves for his nest, or catching worms and bugs. Barry had a dream to become a chef. Every morning, when the sun peeked over the horizon, Barry would wake up with the desire to create delicious meals. He would watch the humans in the village preparing their breakfast, and his tiny bird brain would work overtime trying to figure out how they made their food taste so good. He longed to understand the secret behind their tasty dishes, the blend of flavors and the art of cooking. One day, Barry decided he couldn't wait any longer. He wanted to start his culinary journey right away. So he flew down to the village and landed on the windowsill of a house where a lovely lady was baking bread. Barry chirped and asked politely, "Excuse me, ma'am, but could you please teach me the art of baking?" The lady was startled by the talking bird, but she was a kind soul. She opened the window wider and said, "Well, I don't usually take students, but I suppose it wouldn't hurt to give you a quick lesson." And thus, under the lady's patient guidance, Barry learned how to make bread. He spent the next few days practicing, gathering the right ingredients, kneading the dough, and baking the bread. But unfortunately, no matter how hard he tried, Barry's bread never tasted as good as the lady's. Discouraged, he flew back to his tree, wondering if his dream of becoming a chef was just that, a dream. As he sat there feeling sorry for himself, an old owl who had seen Barry's efforts hooted softly. "Why the long face, young one?" Barry poured his heart out to the wise owl, explaining his passion for cooking and his recent failure. The owl listened patiently, and when Barry was done, the owl said, "It's admirable that you have a dream, Barry. But sometimes we have to accept that our talents may lie elsewhere. Maybe you're not meant to be a chef, but that doesn't mean you can't create delicious things. Think about what you're good at. What makes you you?" Barry thought for a moment. He was good at many things. He could fly faster than any other bird in the forest. He could build the sturdiest nests. And he was also a great singer. But then it hit him. He loved collecting different types of berries and fruits, and he knew the forest's bounty like the back of his wing. He made special trips to gather the ripest, juiciest fruits, and he experimented with different flavor combinations. With renewed determination, Barry returned to the village. This time he didn't go to the bakery. He went to the marketplace, where people gathered from far and wide to buy fresh produce. Barry perched on a stall and started his new business, selling fruit salads made with the forest's finest ingredients. At first, people were a bit hesitant to try a fruit salad made by a bird. But Barry's salads were so delicious, so refreshing and beautifully presented, that soon everyone was lining up to buy one. His unique recipes and high-quality ingredients made him famous in the village. People would specifically ask for Barry's fruit salads, and he became known as the best fruit seller in the marketplace. Though Barry never became the chef he had initially dreamed of being, he found success in his own unique way. He discovered that his passion for food could be channeled in a different direction, and he excelled at it. In the end, Barry realized it wasn't about being a chef or a baker, but about pursuing his creativity and ambition to do something special. And that, my dear friends, is the story of the bird who wanted to be a chef, reminding us that sometimes our dreams lead us to places we never imagined, and that's a beautiful thing.